For me, it was working with Mr. Bachchan and Prakash Jha and Mr. Saif Ali Khan at that time and Deepika. And people did mention that, listen, तुम्हारा छोटा role है. Manoj Ji was also in the film. These are the pros and cons. आप करो. For me, it was like मुझे बच्चन साहब के साथ काम करना है. मैं 23 साल का हूँ, मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी आ रही है बच्चन साहब के साथ काम करने के लिए. भाई जो भी हो जाए मुझे करना है.
It's a big deal.
It was a big deal. It was a big deal. And Isak was a film people didn't want me to do. People were very adamant with,
Really?
with Isak, yes. It was earlier called Prem Katha. It was earlier supposed to be Shraddha Kapoor.
Oh, it was supposed to be with Shraddha?
It was supposed to be Shraddha.
Amira came in later.
She came in much later. It was a lot. There was a lot of back and forth going on it. I had, before Isak, it was called Prem Katha, based on Romeo and Juliet. Obviously, the initial first draft was just beautiful. It was beautiful. The way it was written, every character, every relationship with every character, it was just beautiful. And I was sold. And पहले से ही मुझे लगे यार मुझे ये करना है. But then I think because of the back and forth, पहले किसी और प्रोड्यूसर के साथ थी, कोई 4-5 प्रोड्यूसर घूम के आई है वो, फिर वो फाइनली बनी. I think it took about 2 years to finally make. But during those 2 years, everyone was like, everybody who knew of the film and was kind of helping me make an informed decision was like, ये थोड़ा गड़बड़ लग रहा है क्योंकि हीरोइन है, हीरोइन नहीं है, producers आ रहे हैं, जा रहे हैं. The script also got stolen. I'm not going to say what it was made in. The script got stolen, and there was a film that released before us with the same script and the same story.
Which is the film?
I'm not going to mention. So ये सब चल रहा था, and
So much chaos.
Yeah, it was chaos, and then finally end decision था कि अब मत करो, शूटिंग शुरू हो गई है, same script की. मुझे like नहीं, मुझे करना है, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. So then everyone finally had to just be like, yeah, ये देखो, इसको करना है, अभी करने दो types. We made it, and it didn't gonna work out. And I do appreciate that also with the people that were helping me then, because I don't blame anybody. कि तुमने बोला करने को. एक आध दो फिल्म थे.
Name it.
एक आध.
Is it a film that you're very embarrassed that you did? Now you can think over it and.
I am, and they didn't release. So I'm very grateful that they didn't release. क्योंकि फिर तो मैं पता नहीं क्या करता.
Do we get to see you dancing there full on? In those films that didn't release. I like how you're thinking. Oh.
Yes, very much danced. It's a film with Raima Sen. It's a very good friend of mine, Raima and myself, and actress, I think, who stopped working, Pooja Gupta. It's a very bad film. So I'm very fortunate that it didn't release क्योंकि मैं पता नहीं क्या करता फिर उसके बाद मेरी जिंदगी में.
It's an honest thing. You're admitting that, how do you even predict?
Yes, but there were, it was
Up and down.
Up and down. It was, there were projects where I was given perspective and I was given the choice of the final decision, and there were projects where other people took decisions for me, and I lost out on some brilliant films that could have changed the
Which were the films?
trajectory of my career. Bhag Milkha Bhag was one of them.
Bhag Milkha Bhag.
Milkha Bhag was one.
You were supposed to play.
I was locked. I was locked with Mr. Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra. I had started readings with Prasoon Joshi. I had started dialect classes and diction classes with Prasoon Joshi. Contract का time आया था. और
Were there more like that?
yes, there was.
Which was the other one?
I think it was Dawn, if I'm not mistaken.
Dawn?
I think it was Dawn.
Which character?
I don't know for which one. I don't know, but there was a.
So Dawn 2.
Dawn 1 क्या था?
Dawn, the remake of the original one.
Which one? Both had Priyanka Chopra?
Yeah, I mean, they carry on, na? Shah Rukh.
Yes. नहीं यार मैं बच्चा था तब तो I guess maybe the first one.
The first.
Maybe it was the first one. yeah, I was, people ghosted, and it looked bad on me because my then team managers ghosted Excel Entertainment
Really?
and ghosted Mr. Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra. And that looked very bad on me, and I'm sure that it kind of
It
rubbed,
didn't go down well.
it rubbed them the wrong way. 100%, I'm sure it did, but
But why? What was the reason?
I wish I had the maturity to know what to do, and I didn't. मुझे direct calls आ रहे थे. I was 23 years old, 23, 22 years, 24 years old. मुझे direct calls आ रहे थे from the producers, and my manager was sitting next to me, and I used to just, मैं क्या करूँ? I used to just be looking at their faces, be like, they're calling me directly, should I answer? No, you don't answer. So that was the advice I was given, okay, not to answer, we will take care of it, and they never took care of it. They just ghosted them. So it was just,
That's just terrible.
it was unfortunate.
You mentioned this now, I remember. At that time, around this time, there were a lot of rumors
Yes.
about the fact that you were unprofessional,
Yes.
the fact that you turned up late on the sets. Of course, you were going through your own journey of mental health and all of that. But there was constant things about Pratik's been replaced here and Pratik's been replaced there. Now that you tell me,
Yes.
I remember that they were being told. It must have been very difficult for you at that time, because all
Yes.
this that you tell me now is giving context.
Yes. Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
And do you
Absolutely.
think the fact that they knew, that some of them knew you were going through your own mental health, crisis, or maybe you were being
what?
isolated?
Sorry to cut you there, Rudrani. I have to let people know that nobody cares what you're going through. If you're in an industry where numbers are everything, people will sympathize with you. People will put their hands on your shoulder and reassure you, give a little pat on your cheek, saying, we love you, you're a sweet guy. They will not care what you're going through. Mentally, emotionally, they won't. All people care about is, what can you bring the numbers? Are you off? Are you sane? People don't care if you died of drugs, you have a mother, you have a father, you've been through complicated childhood. People don't care. Industry didn't care. Industry knew. Industry sympathized. Maybe I had a little bit of goodwill. And I don't expect them to care. I did earlier in my life. Why don't people care? Why don't people sympathize with me like the way I want them to? Why don't they? Why should they? People don't care. 9 out of 10 times people are not going to care about what you went through. 9 out of 10 times people are not going to care if your personal life is absolute turmoil and you have gone through the most.
Hell?
You've gone through hell. You are going through hell in your house, and you've come to set and you have to deliver. People will not care. They will sympathize. Oh, poor guy. Are you okay? पीछे जाके बोलेंगे, अच्छा सुन, पैसे जाने वाले, हमारे पैसे जाने वाले, हमारा लॉस होने वाला है, हम लोगों को कुछ सोचना पड़ेगा. अगर कुछ कठिनाई से कुछ गुजर रहे हैं तो एक्सपेक्ट मत करो लोग आएंगे और वो समझेंगे आपको. नहीं समझने वाले. आपके चाहने वाले समझेंगे, दोस्त चाहने वाले समझेंगे, लेकिन आप बहुत लकी होंगे अगर आपकी प्रोफेशनल दुनिया समझे. मत एक्सपेक्ट करो कि तुम जाओगे, तुम्हारा बॉस तुमको बोलेगा, अरे यार तुम्हारा डिवोर्स हो गया है, आज आप तू मेरे साथ बैठ ले थोड़ा, मैं तेरे को थोड़ा रेज दे दूंगा, या तेरे को थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा काम दे दूंगा. अरे तेरा डिवोर्स हो गया, तू नहीं होगा. I'm sorry बोलेगा, sorry तो ठीक है, आगे बढ़ो. अच्छा, आगे क्या, कितने पैसे बन रहे हैं? You know what I mean?
Were you feeling isolated and because things started drying up, right? The offers and were
Yes,
you feeling
yes.
like really pushed around the corner in the film industry?
I was, but I'm not going to blame the industry. It's not their fault. इंडस्ट्री की गलती नहीं है. इंडस्ट्री को क्या दिख रहा है? इंडस्ट्री को दिख रहा है एक्टर जो हिट दे रहा था और बड़ी बड़ी पिक्चरें कर रहा था, हिट पे हिट दे रहा था, पैसे अच्छे खासे बना रहा था प्रोड्यूसर के लिए. अब वो पिक्चरें हिट नहीं दे रहा है, पैसे नहीं बना रहा है और प्रोड्यूसरों को उसके साथ काम नहीं करना है. इंडस्ट्री वही देखती है. इंडस्ट्री नहीं देखती अरे यार ये थोड़ा उसको है उसका कुछ. You know, it's cutthroat. Unfortunately, it's cutthroat, but it's you rather learn early than go there and experience the wrath, you know.
But then there were actors like Tabu
Yes.
who had reached out to you when you spoke up about the addiction and all of that
Yes.
and told you that she wants to help you. Am I correct?
Yes. She's always been we're not in touch for the past couple of years, but she was always a very, very strong supporter of me since I started my career. A few
She helped you get a brand, didn't she?
हर कुछ
Didn't she? Like some put you in touch with. Is a story that I know, but please correct me. That she had reached out to you and really was happy that you could. Is this story not true?
I it may be 100%, it may be, but I can't really put a finger on it. But definitely, I wouldn't be surprised if she called people and said, look out for him. And so then it's you have two sides of the spectrum. You have लोग चाहते हैं, लोगों को genuinely प्यार देना है, सपोर्ट देना है, और एक जो ऊपर से हमारा अपना फ़ायदा देखते हैं, जो ठीक है वो दुनिया है, ये दुनिया है, यही है दुनिया. Unfortunately,
There were more mentors, I can call them, like actors like this. Did you ever go back to Amir? Because I know your first film was that. Did you? Were people trying to reach out to you to kind of understand what's happening? Salman, I know at some point took you under the wing.
yes.
Can we talk about those moments? Because I feel like maybe they gave you a little hope. उस टाइम पे जब इतना कुछ हो रहा था आपके साथ.
Yes. It's funny you mentioned Salman. I mentioned I was going through some turmoil then when Isak was releasing. I think I'd kind of slipped back into substance abuse and alcohol. But I remember I was still very excited about this action film, and मैंने बड़ी बनाई है, तो सलमान सर को दिखाना है, ट्रेलर दिखाना है, तो मैंने फ़ोन किया उनको, उनके घर गया और ट्रेलर दिखाया और उनको रोना आया, मुझे याद आई. Started crying. I don't know if he'll remember. I doubt he'll remember, but I remember we were sitting in his living room and तब तो सीढ़ियाँ थे, तो सीढ़ी डाली और उनको रोना आया और बोला, प्रतीक अब तू संभाल अपना करियर संभाल, तू बहुत आगे जाएगा. Unfortunately मैंने संभाला नहीं. But no, I've had my fair share of support earlier on in my career. Unfortunately, God had other plans.
Were there more people like this, like Salman, who kind of tried to reach out?
Yes.
Who were they?
Amir sir, it was
What did he say?
Shabana ji. Just be in touch. But I met him recently. Again, I had lost touch. I think I'd kind of
Isolated yourself.
isolated myself till recently. In fact, till about 5-6 years ago, I think. Pre-COVID, थोड़ा सा वो शुरू हो गया था. Pre-COVID, I had a few shows and films released. I think pre-COVID, it just kind of started. And then COVID was just everyone got isolated, and I think. But yes, I post-COVID, the world started and we started working again, and I met Amir sir and he asked me to come see him. I haven't I haven't mentioned this to anybody. This is the first time I'll be mentioning it on record, on camera, but I am writing something.
You're writing something
I am writing something that is
for Amir Khan Productions?
no, but he is one of the
Characters and
he's one of the people I want to take the subject to when it's done.
wow, good.
Yeah,
Like I'm very happy for
I am writing something. Yes, it's you will love it rather.
Yeah?
Yes. So yes, he did. I went for his daughter's reception, and
Yeah.
he said, "Come see me," and we started we're in touch now a little bit. Yeah, तो जाके मिलूंगा. अभी शादी हुई है, तो literally अभी उसी थोड़ी सी वो सपने वाली दुनिया में दोनों हम हनीमून फेज में सपने वाली दुनिया में मेरी बीवी और मैं दोनों हम अभी भी जी रहे हैं उस फेज में.
You are a privileged Bandra boy, and you've admitted that. We all know that.
Sure.
None of it I'm telling you that you don't have the privileges, but you fought to not be taking any favors when you're launching your career from your father. You really fought because
Yes.
he was supposed to, we were ready to produce a film for you.
Yes, he had big plans. Yeah. So, which most Bollywood families have, if the children want to become actors or filmmakers, or एक थोड़ा सा वो launch scene हो जाता है. लेकिन मुझे वो I don't know what it was. It was just maybe it was destiny, if I may. It was destiny, if I may.
And you didn't use his name. Like it was not like,
Yeah.
I'm so and so's son, whatever, because you were trying to run away from that identity.
Yeah, unfortunately, there wasn't, the reason was different. नहीं कि मुझे शो ऑफ नहीं करना है कि मैं उनका बेटा मुझे बेसिकली मेरा उस टाइम मुझे उनका बेटा नहीं होना है और मुझे उनका बेटा भी नहीं होना है. मैं दोनों से नफरत करता हूँ. मैं अपना ही बंदा हूँ बस. वो अलग था मेरा थोड़ा सा.
Becoming an actor came later.
Yes.
Watching your mother's legacy every time
Yes.
must have been admiration and heartbreaking, at the same time. I don't know.
Yes.
How do you process through that? Watching one of the most celebrated.
Now it is nothing but admiration and just astonishment and just
She was so badass.
she 100%.
All out of respect.
100%.
Even I'm using the word. Please don't take it
100%
otherwise.
badass. No, absolutely 100% badass. She was a badass, 100% certified badass. But wow, what a performer! Wow, what a lady! What a public persona! What an off-camera persona! What a friend! What a daughter! What a mother! She gave her life for me. वो माँ होती है जो अपने आप को सैक्रिफाइस करे अपने बच्चे के लिए. वो क्या माँ होगी वो यार. क्या माँ होगी. वो प्यार मैं अब मैं वो जिंदगी भर महसूस करूँ. और बहुत कम लोग खुशनसीब होते हैं मेरे जैसे जो उस तरीके का प्यार महसूस कर सके. वो जो है, जो नहीं है फिर भी है. जो दिखता नहीं है फिर भी दिखता है. जो महसूस नहीं कर पाते हो फिर भी महसूस होता है.
Beautifully put.